So in this short demo, we're going to look at creating a dashboard. Now I've created one of these already, and you'll see this as I pin some tiles to this. Now, but let's just say I wanted to create a new dashboard and I wanted to show the sales and profit per month. I can hit the pin visual. Now, if I've got an existing dashboard, I can pin it to that, or I can create a new one. And I'm going to call this sales dashboard demo. And I'm going to hit pin. Right, and then I can actually click go to dashboard, and we will see the dashboard in question, and I can then share this with people. And then once if you see the highlight figure and you're really keen, you can click on it and it takes you through. It'll take you through to the report. And you can see there now there are two dashboards. I'm going to go into my existing one. You will see there's a Q&A feature up here as well. Now, if I were to type in something like, so it says natural language questions, or asking natural language questions of your data. So I'm going to say total sales in calendar year 2020. Right, it'll give us, it's given us the count of sales for some reason. Alright, but you can see there we can quickly create a visual. Then if I exit the Q&A and go back into it, alright, we can look at what is the profit by product category, and it'll generate all these visuals for you. And then when you're happy with your visual, you can click on pin, choose an existing one, go to that dashboard, and we now have two visuals on the dashboard. Creating dashboards nice and easy, creates that high level shop window view or newspaper headline view of your data and your report.